Everybody has an estate plan. It's called probate. Probate is a legal proceeding that takes place almost as soon as somebody passes away. It's usually a surprise to most people and most families when they realize that because their spouse or their loved one passed away, there's this expectation that those assets that that loved one had would automatically be transferred to their family members, their spouse, their children. And that's not always the case. In fact, typically it's almost never the case because there wasn't proper planning done ahead of time. So probate is the legal proceeding that takes place where the state of California basically seizes our assets until a proper court proceeding has been finished. The problem is that court proceeding takes a very, very long time. Typically it can take about 1.5 years at the minimum, all the way to several years, especially if we have minor children. Secondly, it's very expensive. Typically it costs about 5 to 15% on average, and that's just the minimum. Third, it's a public proceeding, and what that means is that anybody can come into court and know your assets, know what you have, falsely make claims against your assets, claim erroneously that you owed them money even though you didn't, and your family is left in a position where they need to defend that. If they don't, the assets do not pass to the loved ones. So probate is what's often called a lawsuit that you file against yourself using your own money for the benefit of your creditors. It's a very accurate statement, unfortunately, and that is the estate plan that's in place if we do nothing at all.